We are converting number to text in Excel. So suppose you have a few numbers in Excel like this. You can enter different numbers, whatever number you want to insert. Suppose this is the record that you have for different numbers. Maybe this is amount or something like that. Whatever it is. So suppose these are some numbers. Now what is your task? You want to convert this number to text. So in Excel directly it is not possible. So for that, what you have to do, first you save this file. You can save it anywhere. I'm saving it in my desktop. Is the default name coming? I'm going with this default name right now. So in the desktop, book 1, this is my file name. Now go to your Gmail account, more specifically here Google Apps. Over there, here in the Google Apps, you just go to Sheets, that is basically Excel sheets. Click on this blank option. Now in this blank option you will get an option like extension. In this extension you will have option add-ons. From here you go to get add-ons. Whenever you will click on this get add-ons, there will be lots of things will come. Here you will write number text. Whenever you will write number text, this will be the second option. So you will choose this number text option and click on it and install it. Whenever you will go to install it, Google will ask your credentials. So obviously you have to provide that, and this is done. Okay, so whenever it will done, it will show you this uninstall option. So you don't have to uninstall it because you have to